This is Mission Control Houston. Wednesday has been a science day for the crew on board the International Space Station, working on research in a range of disciplines to advance the mission of the station while getting set to receive a shipment of supplies that will continue to support that mission. Today, Commander Kevin Ford spent a part of his morning working on elements of the cruise experiment. That's a European Space Agency technology demonstrator of possible ways to improve a crew's efficiency on orbit. Ford worked with a voice-activated procedure viewer and procedural displays, testing ways in which a crew can be more autonomous as well as more efficient in their work, something that'll be even more critical for future explorers on missions where communication with Earth will be harder than it is for today's crew. Flight engineer Yevgeny Tarelkin and Roman Romanenko worked this morning with the lower body negative pressure suit. That's a routine for Russian crew members who are preparing to come home. That suit, which is just the lower body, uses suction to simulate gravity and allows cosmonauts to test their orthostatic tolerance after months in zero-G. Flight engineer Oleg Novitsky, who is going to be coming home with Tarelkin and Kevin Ford in a couple of weeks, he spent the morning working on maintenance and then moved on to replacing some condensate removal lines in the Russian section of the space station. Flight engineer Chris Hadfield and Tom Marshburn worked together in the early part of the day on the integrated cardiovascular experiment. That's looking at trying to quantify the decrease in the size of a crew member's heart muscle over time while in weightlessness. Crew members do exercise, and they're assisted by a second crew member who are performing examinations of them to gather the data for the investigators on the integrated cardiovascular experiment. All of the crew members had one of their scheduled exercise sessions before the lunch break and a second afterwards. It's a